YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another POV ski. Currently, as you can see, it is rainy. So I was like, why not come to y'all with a rainy POV? And it's like, I love this type of weather. The Durango RT type. They're going too slow. How y'all doing today? You know what I'm saying? Today's a lovely Monday. And I say lovely because it's gloomy outside and I love the gloominess, and it's just so peaceful. I feel like. And years headed to work. I think I'm gonna give y'all a PLB every day I go to work, because why not? And yeah, I just love it, so I'm gonna just keep doing it. Let me know how y'all day going down in the comment section below. Ski. And I hope y'all having a great day today. Or have a great day today as well. It's currently 2:36. And yeah. Enjoy the POV. Let ride. Do y'all like this angle better? Or y'all like front center? Let me know. I fuck with both. I like front center and, you feel me? Shit. Everybody's just getting splashed on. Y'all see how gloomy it is? Honestly. My. Time for me to go. We're gonna pull in here real quick. It's kind of packed, but it's alright. I ain't tweak. Had to get that on the channel. Hold on real quick, y'all.